All right, everybody, it's 11th of December, and we're out here at 6001. So I'm gonna show you an inside and an outside and what we've got going on. Right now, Billy and the guys, Jeremy, have about 90% of the overhead door cuts complete. Now you'll see up here on every door, there are straps that are holding that in place, and we have not yet to saw cut the corners. And these are also insulated panels. So on this insulated area, Brian, you'll see that that's about what you're dealing with on the inside. Brad, the guys will have all of this swept up today, so you can lay out, and they'll have their saws in here in the morning. They're going to finish that one line over there, and then they're going to get the dock leveler material here cut today. So they'll be here today and tomorrow, and that will help us get this stuff done kind of nice and smooth. That's our dumpster for all of our stuff and spools, and you can see we're not dirty out here at all. That's all of my equipment to pull stuff up, and as you can see, the old hole in the wall gang. If you've got saw cutting that has to be done in this city, that's who I use. And our equipment will deliver. We're gonna stage it right in here, and next week we'll be installing overhead doors. We'll be putting in docks, doing the excavations and the bottom pours, and getting this close to getting wrapped up. Y'all have a good weekend, and Merry Christmas.